Good morning, students. Welcome to challenge series. Now we are going to solve a problem from the topic meter bridge from current electricity topic. So in this, I have considered the question from the JEE previous paper 2018. Observe the question. Here first, it is given that meter bridge under the balanced condition. After that, interchanging of the resistors. First, let us recall the concept of meter bridge here. It is two resistors like this, R1 and R2, and a 100 centimeters wire. Let us take the points A, B. The galvanometer connected to this wire at some point P, where balanced condition of the meter bridge occurs, under which condition there will be no current flowing through this branch, so that the null deflection of the galvanometer we can observe. What is the balanced condition of this meter bridge means? R1 by R2 is equal to L divided by 100 minus L. If this is distance L, this should be 100 minus L. The length of the wire up to this balanced point P, A to B it is L, means this should be 100 minus L, because the length of AB is 100 centimeters. So this is the balanced condition of a meter bridge. In this question he asked that on interchanging of the resistance, the balance point of meter bridge shifting to the left by 10 centimeters. So first let us consider the balanced condition here. R1 by R2 is L divided by 100 minus L. So this is one condition we can get. Next one, on interchanging the resistance, that means the second case, if this is the first case, in second case the bridge is having the resistances interchanging. That means this should be R2, this should be R1. So P is the balance condition point. So this length is telling that shift left by 10 centimeters. So initially if it is L, here it is shifting left side by 10 centimeters, he said. Right? Anyhow, here this is L minus 10 centimeters. Then obviously this is 100 minus, this one should be 100 centimeters minus this length. That is L minus 10. So that this is 110 minus L. Then for this bridge, meter bridge, the balanced condition is R2 by R1 is equal to this length divided by this length. This length is L minus 10 and this length is 110 minus L. So this is the second bridge case balanced condition we have. And further he has given that the resistance of the series combination is 1 kilo ohm. That means R1 plus R2 series combination equivalent resistance is 1 kilo ohm. That means 1000 ohms given sum of these two resistance values. Let us consider this is the third condition. Now he asked that how much was the resistance on the left slot before interchanging the resistance. Before interchanging, this is the left side resistance. So we need to find R1 value here. Let us find R1. First consider these two conditions here. Here R2 by R1 we got. Here R1 by R2 we have. So to combine these two equations, I am considering this one. Just R2 by R1 I am making as R1 by R2 is equal to this 110 minus L divided by L minus 10. Now this is R1 by R2 ratio from the second case and this is R1 by R2 from the first case. Let us combine this 1 and 4. That means R1 by R2, R1 by R2, this should be equal to this one. That is L divided by 100 minus L is equal to, this should be 110 minus L divided by L minus 10. Let us solve this for the value of L. So let us cross verify or cross multiply these two. L square minus 10L is equal to this one 11,000 and minus 100L and this one minus 110L and plus L square. After cross multiplication of this expression we are getting this equation. Here L square gets cancelled and then this is minus 210 L. This should be minus 210 L. Here minus 10 L is there. Minus 10 L cancels. Here minus 200 L will be there. Let us take this side. So 200 L is equal to the remaining expression 11,000 here. That means L value, 2 zeros cancels, and it is 55 centimeters we are getting. L value, this one is 55 centimeters. That means obviously, of course, this is 45 centimeters. So this 55 centimeters L value we are getting. From L value, we need to get R1 value. Right. Am I raising this one? So further we are having here one condition, R1 plus R2 is equal to 1000 ohms. Equation 3 we have considered. From this one and this one, L value and these two, we can substitute here to get the value of R1. So that here R1 divided by R2 value, from this R2 value is equal to 1000 minus R1. That is equal to L divided by 100 minus L. L value is 55. That means 55 divided by 100 minus 55, that is 45. So we get only R1 variable here. We can get the value after solving this. So that 45 R1 is equal to 55,000 minus 55 R1. R1 this side. So that 55, 45, 100, R1 is equal to 55,000. 2 zeros cancel. So R1 value we are getting finally 550 ohms. Like that we can calculate the value of resistance on the left side of the meter bridge before interchanging. How much was the resistance on the left slot before interchanging of the resistances? So this is R1 value we need to find, that is 550 ohms. Thank you.